Valk Welding develops and builds more than 200 welding robot installations per year. In over 50 years, Valk Welding has also become one of the largest independent suppliers of welding consumables in Europe. We supply over 800 tons of solid welding wire every month. Our welding wire is supplied in fully recyclable wire drums in which the welding wire is wound in such a way as to guarantee absolutely torsion-free wire unwinding. Valk Welding manufactures and sells its own welding equipment for their welding robot systems, complete with robot torches, pneumatic shock sensor, long-life hose package, patented quick-touch wire clamping mechanism, and the quick exchange system. VWPR welding torches are available for every welding process. By creating an optimal connection between the barrel of welding wire and the welding robot, we ensure virtually frictionless wire feeding. We do this by integrating the extensive Wire Wizard product into our systems and also acting as a worldwide distributor for Wire Wizard. With a simple combination of products, it is possible to equip any welding robot or welding machine with a wire barrel placed at a variable distance. Valk Welding, your technology partner in welding wire and consumables.